Hi friends, in this video I am going to show how to make mini newspaper. Download the newspaper and take it printed from the computer. After that, cut it as shown in the video. Cut the edges part of the paper neatly. If you are making difficulty, draw the line and cut it neatly as shown in the video. Cut all the papers. Cut the edges carefully and straightly. After cutting the edges, cut all the papers same as shown in the video. Now all papers are ready. Now take two papers and place it on one by one as shown in the video, and apply glue to the paper. I stick one to one. On the back side also paste it another paper as shown in the video. Do it carefully, don't be in hurry, and press it like this without any gaps. Do it same for all the papers. All papers are completed. Now take the front paper and attach glue on the edge side, and attach paper one by one as shown in the video. I stick it carefully. Press it neatly. Apply gum, and same procedure for all the papers one by one. Don't take much papers. Take 4 to 5 papers. You can take any newspaper. I am taking here Enadu newspaper. You can take as per your wish. You can download the newspapers in the Google and download it and get PDF and print out from the printer, and with the help of scissor make the edges softly without any gaps. It will give nice look. Now the newspaper is ready. The mini newspaper is ready. Now make again same newspaper and fold it to half as shown in the video. It will be the small newspaper. It will be the mini big newspaper. It just look like same as big newspaper will look nice. And newspapers are ready. Hope is looking super cute. Hope you all enjoy my video. For more videos, like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting crafts. Thank you friends.